Good morning. This is Candace with the Ayala Prime Properties team, and we are going on a little adventure around Missouri City. And today our stop is Ridgeview Park. Ridgeview Park is located just off of Highway 6 on Ridgeview Drive. It is actually on 3902 Ridgeview Drive and is a beautiful neighborhood park in the Quail Valley subdivision. Ridgeview Park has a splash pad, which has been updated, renovated, and will be ready to go this spring and summer. It has a pretty large playscape with picnic tables and covered areas for people to sit in. It has a short walking trail. We notice many neighbors walking around the walking trail. And it also has some neat features like a little house, some flower gardens, and some areas just to play and run in the green space. My only concern about Ridgeview Park is parking. There is some limited parking. There's parking along the street, but I can imagine with the splash pad and the playscape that parking could become an issue. We loved going to Ridgeview Park. We enjoyed having the time to run around and soak in the sunshine, and we hope that you will take some time this spring to enjoy Ridgeview Park in the Quail Valley community. I hope you have a great afternoon.